A lot of times you'll see flagstones in patios and veneers and in stepstones, but I want to use it as the top of my barbecue counter. It's going to give it a nice rustic look, and it also has some texture. Now I'm building my countertop on a sturdy wood frame, and this will work in temperate climates, but if you're in a place that freezes and thaws a lot, this might not be the right project for you. To get started, I'm going to be using a concrete board, and I need to cut it to size. So I'm going to use a straight edge to mark my cutoff and then follow it with a utility knife that scores the top. After I score it, I'm going to bend it over a 2x4 and pop it off. All right, just like that. This is where it gets fun. So now I'm going to lay out my flagstone. I really want to make sure that I get a layout that's aesthetically pleasing. So I'm putting all the stone out first, and I'm using a hammer to chisel the stones into the shapes that I need to fit. If you want to see how to do this, click in the link above and I'll show you how to cut stone with a hammer. It's time to mortar, so I'm going to pick up the stones one by one to mortar them on and make sure that they're level to the frame as well as to each other. Throw some down, sticks, we're good. Okay, mallet. After all the stones are mortared, wait 24 hours before you come back to grout it. I'm mixing up my grout and I'm putting it in between all the joints, really trying to work it in and having it a little proud of the flagstone. After it sets up just a little bit, I'm coming back with a tool or a striker to knock down the excess, and that really kind of helps force it into place. And then you really want to make sure that you clean up with a sponge while you're still working on it and pick up any of the film on the flagstone. So now the countertop's done. I like how it came together. I want to throw some sealer on it because if you drop a burger or any type of grease, it'll definitely soak into the stone. Thank you guys for watching. Check out some of the other videos in this series. And if you like this, leave a comment below or go ahead and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.